Hi, welcome to this channel. This video is created to help people who want to understand the basics of banking. This session is only for awareness purpose and not for any training purpose. BFSI. What is BFSI? Before you understand banking, you must know BFSI. So today's session is a very basic session where we will understand what is BFSI. You may have heard these terms many times, maybe in news, social media, job portal, or in any of the conversation that is happening around banking and finance. Everyone talk about BFSI, but what does actually mean? Many people may know this term, but very few people may know it very clearly. Don't worry. In this video, I will try to explain you what is BFSI in a simple way. I hope by end of this video, you will clearly understand what is BFSI and why it is meant for. So let's get started. So first of all, you should know what BFSI stand for. In BFSI, B stands for banking, FS stands for financial services, and I stands for insurance. So what BFSI known for? BFSI is a industry vertical like many others such as life science and healthcare, automobile, manufacturing, infrastructure, retail and consumer, telecom and media, textile and fashion, logistics and transportation. So, like many other verticals, like many other industry vertical, BFSI is a industry vertical. If BFSI is a industry vertical, then what is banking, financial services? So, banking, financial services, and insurance are actually a business domain within this BFSI vertical. So, BFSI is known for industry vertical, and within BFSI vertical, there are three business domains. One is banking, second one is financial services, and third one is insurance. Now, why it is domain? Because all three category are giving services for different purposes. That is why these three are business domain. Say, so if you're working for a bank or any services that is related to bank, so your domain will be banking. If you are working with insurance, any area of insurance, and you are giving services to the insurance sector, so your domain will be insurance. And if you are giving any services to the financial services such as mutual fund, stock, then your domain will be financial services. Now let us understand what these three business domain do. In simple word, what they do. Together they deal with everything related to money, savings, investment, loans, credit, and risk protection. In simple word, BFSI is about how our money is stored in a bank locker, bank currency chest, or in bank strong room. How our money is moving from one place to other, from one account to other account. How our money is grown through investment such as FDs, mutual funds, stock investment, etc. How our money is protected and how our money is regulated. This is all BFSI do. So let's begin with the most familiar part, that is banking, the B in BFSI. Banking include the most of the services related to money that we use mostly every day, such as depositing and withdrawing money from banks, making digital payments via UPI, NEFT, internet banking, mobile banking, etc., credit card and debit card transactions, saving and current accounts, other loans and advances accounts, fixed deposits, and different type of loan such as home loan, education loan, mortgage loan, consumer loan, etc. The example of banks are SBI, HDFC, Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. These are all banks. So whenever you deposit money, whenever you withdraw money, whenever you are making any payments or you are receiving any payments or you are taking loan or you are making repayment of any loan, you are interacting with the banking services of BFSI industry vertical or BFSI sector. Now the next come financial services or broader services that often confuse the beginner. Financial services is nothing. It is only focusing on investment and growing your money. In short, when you are doing only and only investment, it will fall under financial services such as stock market and trading, mutual fund and investment, wealth management, portfolio management, non-banking financial transactions, and the fintech company that combines the finance with technology. The examples are stock and trading, NSE and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Mutual fund and investment, SBI Mutual Fund, HDFC Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, Nippon Mutual Fund, etc. NBFCs यानी non-banking financial companies are Bajaj Finance, L&T Finance, Muthoot Finance, and the fintech apps are Paytm, Zerodha, PhonePe. Now, why these are falling on financial services? Because they are only giving services. They are not storing your money. At the end of the day, your money is getting stored or deposited in the bank only. That is why they are fall under the financial services category, as they are only providing the services towards your investment to grow your money or certain kind of temporary transactions as we do through Paytm. So in simple term, financial services are nothing. It helps you or it helps your money to grow over a period of time. Now, let's talk about insurance. Insurance is falling under a category of risk protection. It is only falling under a category of risk protection. We are not doing any kind of transactions in insurance sectors. It only provides protection services to its customer. The main objective of insurance is to protect individual or business units from unexpected financial loss. Indirectly, it is protecting your unknown risk. There are three main type of insurance. One is life insurance, second is health insurance, and the third one is general insurance. Life insurance, which protects your income and family, health insurance, which will cover your medical expenses, and general insurance covering your other risks such as vehicle, home, travel, and many other corporate insurances. There are many insurance companies today in India, but mainly Life Insurance Corporation of India, ICICI Prudential, ICICI Lombard, HDFC Agro, New India Insurance, Indian Insurance, many others are there in market. So insurance act as the safety net of the BFSI sector. But out of these three domains, banking, financial services, and insurance, banking is the backbone of all three services. Why? Because financial services and insurance do not hold your money with them. They are not authorized to keep your money with them. Eventually, whatever transactions that we are doing through these two services, the money transacted to these services are going to the bank account. You must be wondering why BFSI is called as a domain or vertical. That is because BFSI is a specialized industry that operate in the money and finance domain of the economy. It is defined and protected by heavy government regulations. It gives you high level of trust and security, and also it provide you the complex financial products. Along with this, BFSI is the industry or vertical which is giving a strong career growing opportunity. If I am not wrong and if my analysis stands correct, BFSI is one of the top job provider in India. So what we understood as of now is BFSI is an industry vertical which has three domains and they are servicing to the end customer for different services. Bank is providing their end customer where you can deposit and withdraw your money. Financial services providing a services to their end customer to grow their money, and insurance is protecting the risk side of any institution or individual. So that is BFSI. Simple, powerful, and deeply connected with our daily life. If this video helped you to understand BFSI better, and if you want to learn more about banking, don't forget to like, share, and press the bell icon. Subscribe to this channel for more videos on banking topic. See you in next video.